Hi. Hi, hi, how are you? Okay. Hi.
A very good evening, Karen.
Thank you. Same to you.
Tell us something about the evening. क्या मेरे जो awards हैं on these products.
तो मैं तो हर रोज़ बहुत एक्साइटेड रहती हूँ वो ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के लिए बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरी वन इज़ ब्यूटिफुल स्पेशली ब्यूटिफुल इनसाइड एंड आई थिंक दीज प्रोडक्ट्स ऑल द ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स हेल्प एवरी वन ब्रिंग आउट द इनर ब्यूटी तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और मैं एक अवार्ड देने वाली हूँ फ्रेग्रेंस के लिए सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट I'm a believer in inner beauty. I think if you're beautiful inside, you'll always look beautiful. So I think everyone's beautiful. I'm wearing Namrata Joshipura. I'm styled by Sanjana Batra. And she styles me for my show, the Tara Sharma show as well. Trends, I think the hair up in a top knot and tongs. And I think as long as you're comfortable, you look good. Thank you. Tushar is on the next episode and he's talking about being a single dad and about his surrogacy and also Dr. Firoza Parekh has come with him who's the lady who helped make it happen. So, yeah, I think it's very brave of Tushar to come and talk about it because I know he always had a desire to be a dad, but he actually walked the talk and he's become a dad thanks to surrogacy, so I think it's great. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Woo! Oh my god.
So lovely. I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah. Okay, say. I'm wearing Gauri Nainika, happy color. I never know what is in, what is out. I think trends come and go. I have absolutely no idea what's happening. I just wear what I like. And I love my stylist. So. Beauty के लिए standards नहीं होने चाहिए. To me, beauty is about being happy. I think happy girls are the prettiest girls. And really, it's about that. I haven't thought of it yet. When I get to it, I'll discuss it with you. I think mostly fashion tips again are about actually doing what makes you happy. I think if you wear stuff that makes you happy and makes you feel confident and beautiful, you will look beautiful. So it's about what suits you and what really works for you. Soon. Yeah, I've actually not been here. I've come down for a day just to sort of be with them and to do this. But I'm shooting with Manisa just now, so I'm not really here to do that. Yeah.
This Bornali basically picked this out for me. I'm wearing a Minerali jewelry with it and just keeping it simple with a fun ponytail and like light lipstick. Yes. I guess so. I actually am dying to see the makeup category. I really want to see who wins because I'm really into makeup and beauty, so it's going to be exciting. Well, I'm loving like the dark lipstick trend that's going on, as well as like what else is going on? I forgot. I've not been here for a while. Mainly just like the dark lipstick. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. So I'm doing Kung Fu Yoga with Jackie Chan, and I'm actually going back now in August to dub for it, and it's out January 2017. So excited. Yes, he did. Well, he just surprised me with a cake. I was traveling on my birthday actually. I was in a plane and then I landed and I went straight to his office for dinner, and then like the crew was there and the cast was there, so it was really sweet. Thank you.
Just reduce my market value.
Well, I'm very happy to be here today at the Vogue Beauty Award. और बस मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, it's such an honor that I'm getting an award tonight. I think timeless beauty is quite special. But for me, I think beauty is all about your inner beauty that reflects on your face. So I'm feeling quite honored and I'm really happy to be here tonight. Well, I think it's Vogue, so obviously everyone's going to be really stylish and very glamorous. And I think generally I like to wear very sophisticated and sharp cuts. So that's it. मैं बस यही कहूँगी कि always be positive, क्योंकि आपका inner positivity आपके चेहरे के ऊपर आएगा. So it's not about everything else, but it's about your inner self. Thank you. हाँ. Sorry? Well, it's a Monisha Jaising gown. And I think, like I said, I like to wear very sophisticated and sharp cuts. So I think that's what I'm doing tonight as well. Oh, thank you. Well, no, I think my sister is my little baby. But thank you. I think it's been a great relationship with my co-stars in the industry and everyone out here. So I'm happy that people enjoy spending time with me or enjoy seeing my work. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Shall I answer his question because he asked me something? Beauty में मेरा दिमाग में क्या है? Beauty के बारे में क्या का मतलब? मैं बहुत ही मिस इंडिया टाइप का जवाब देने वाली हूँ. I think beauty is it really is comes from the inside. और ये मेरा मानना है कि if you feel good then you look good, and that's what beauty is. Two words: yoga and pani. Yoga, pani. Pani, yoga. Just lots of water and lots of yoga. So it's an Amanda Wakely dress. I love champagne. It's one of my most favorite shades for makeup and for clothes. And I wanted to go with a very minimalistic sort of vibe. And Anaita and the girls put together tribal jewelry, which I really like. So yeah, just going for a strong, independent woman kind of vibe. Yes, stripes are back. But I mean like 80s when I was in college, stripes and ribbed material is back, and I love ribbed material. I have been performing. Oh no, I'm hosting. Sir. No. I'm gonna say no. Okay.